Hi guys! This is my fourth day of drinking the Dear Face Beauty Milk in strawberries and cream. This has ashwagandha, glutathione, and collagen drink. Ito yung collab with Bea Bores. So, I have been drinking this consistently since I got this. So, this is actually my fourth day and I hope may mga onting effect naman na siya sa skin ko. And what I actually feel is I really get dizzy and sobrang bilis kong antukin. And then after kong uminom siguro more like 30 minutes, inaantok na talaga ako agad. May onting pagsakit-sakit sa ulo. I think normal yon based sa iba kong mga napanood. Pero na-experience ko lang yon nung first time kong itry to. Mga first and second day ko itry. Medyo pangit din kasi dahil ininom ko siya within shift ng gabi. So, I recommend you not to drink it while you're working at night. So, I recommend you to drink this before you go to sleep. And yup, so I'm hoping for best results. So, fourth day ko pa lang naman of drinking it. So, I think medyo mas maglalighten pa ang ating skin pag natapos na natin ang 10 days.